What's one of the world's most known brands? What would you think? Look where we are today in China.
Just told me something crazy about Chinese Ikea. People come here during the summertime, and when they're tired, they'll just lay down in the beds and fall asleep. They'll have a nap.
This is a new one for me. Ikea in Qingdao, China has a cafe halfway around, so you can get a sausage or an iced tea, you name it.
There's a cafe halfway around. The lady's having a photo shoot in the middle of the kitchen.
Here we go, we spotted someone having a snooze. Yep, looks like flat out and having a rest. It's classic. It's not crazy, it's just China.
There would be a complete riot in Australia if the beds all look like this. Every single one has had someone have a nap in it. This is craziness. Every single bed is unmade. Every single one. It's crazy. There are so many occupational health and safety, hygiene issues in Australia. Nothing, no you know what's given here. It's free bed, free sleep, free air conditioning. Get in a bed.
My wife's about to get into the swing of the bed testing here at Ikea in China.
Other many people would probably label this bed. Willows, I'm not cut. I won't come.
Okay, this is the restaurant in Ikea. Let's see what happens. Gotta say, there's lots and lots of people in this restaurant, so we're just meandering around trying to find a table, to be honest with you. Okay, so we grabbed a variety of dishes to try to see what they're like. Obviously, we got the meatballs, we got the spaghetti, we got a beef Wellington, got some sausages, some custard tarts. I don't know what this is, maybe potato and gravy. I even grabbed, get this, at Ikea, Belgian beer, so we'll give that a crack as well. Let's see how much all this costs. So apparently you've got to log into Ikea's China app.
Yeah, it's on WeChat. It's a mini program.
And then you pay for it through WeChat, so I don't know how you go as a Westerner. Okay, so we managed to get our haul over to the table here. Rebecca was most excited about the fact there was a fork and not a chopstick to eat all this stuff with, so looking forward to trying it. Not quite sure what some of it is. There's a yellow sauce over there on the beef Wellington, maybe mustard, may not be, who knows. So we've got 10 meatballs here on the plate. I think it was $19.99 RMB, which is about maybe $4.50 Australian. The spaghetti with the sausage was 36, so that's about $7 Australian. And the beef Wellington was 39 RMB, so about $8 Australian. So we also got a few little sides, I don't know what they are, maybe they're potatoes and gravy. Got some pastries, got some sausages, and most importantly, like I said, got a Belgian beer, so we'll see what that's like. I've got to say, pretty chunky bit of salmon in it, really. So, quality-wise, tastes good, really thick. So actually, I've had a bit of a second go at this, and I'm appreciating it a bit more the second time around. Bye-bye, Ikea food, it was good. So we couldn't leave Ikea without an ice cream because it's either traditional, you get an ice cream or a hot dog, but we went for the ice cream. Check out these bad boys, 2 cones, 3 flavours. You get a biscuit of some sort, and they were 10 RMB each, which is a little bit over $2 Australian. So really, really good value. How was the grapefruit ice cream?
It's getting eaten first.
I think it's grapefruit, chocolate and vanilla in there, but the grapefruit is rather tangy. Okay, that's all from us here at Ikea in Qingdao. Bye.